Welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing a Google Play billing error, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device and scroll down to find Apps or Application Manager. Step 2. Tap on Apps and locate Google Play Store in the list of installed applications. Step 3. Tap on Google Play Store, then select Storage to access storage-related options. Step 4. Tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may be causing the billing error. Step 5. If clearing cache doesn't work, tap Clear Data, but note this will sign you out of the Play Store. Step 6. Restart your device by holding the power button and selecting Restart to refresh the system. Step 7. Open Google Play Store again and sign in with your Google account credentials if prompted. Step 8. Try making a purchase or accessing your payment methods to verify the billing error has been resolved. If the issue persists, contact Google Play Support for further assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.